With a capacity of 800 pounds or 8 cubic feet of material, these guys are first-time users of the machines and are having no trouble getting around.
Trying to build this berm here so we can keep speed for this jump after going over that roller, and right now it's a flat turn with some rocks, and we want to cover those rocks up. A lot of times we'll bring a dirt load in the Ranger close by, and then we'll have to shovel it into 5-gallon buckets and carry them in if we need extra material. And I think this muck truck's going to be able to get us a lot more material in here a lot easier without doing so much manual labor.
Moving uphill over a 20% grade with a full load. The Max dumper is powered by a Honda GXV 5.5 horsepower engine. Start up the engine and use that throttle. Move the lever into gear, 3 forward speeds and reverse. Compress the brake release and transmission release to engage. Dumping your load is easy. Release the dump lever while tipping the machine forward.